Hi, welcome to LabTech Info. In this channel, I am going to teach you about laptop repairing, how to test a laptop, how to check a motherboard, how to check laptop motherboard, how to read the BIOS, how to write the BIOS, how to check the components of a laptop. Everything I am going to share you. What I know, I will share with you. Don't worry about it. I will completely share my knowledge, whatever I learned, whatever I got from others, ideas, everything I am going to share you. Don't worry about it. Just like it, share my videos, share my YouTube channel, and become a member of our channel. I will release a video soon. Now this link is for Canon Pixma. Canon Pixma ts5050 series printer. This printer. So this printer, if you have any problem with this printer and the EEPROM file, you can download the file from our site, our website. Then you can use it. You can burn the file to your printer and make the printer works again. Okay, you can go to my LabTech Info website, this website, go to the resources, printers and Canon printer section. Under the printer section you will find BIOS file. Thank you.